Mom, why is your chin like that?
Which one? I have two.
4. Look at that mountain in the back of you, Mom.
Moana, make way, make way.
The coconuts and nuts.
I miss your dad. It's so big.
Oh!
Apple! 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 Your mom!
What about me?
You're not included. Ruining my kitchen.
I'm not though. I'm cooking.
Up! Up! What?
Mother, are you homophobic?
Number 1, you're gay. Number 2, I have a lesbian daughter. Number 3, I watch RuPaul's Drag Race. How can I be homophobic, idiot? The children I didn't swallow.
Mom, what would you say if I told you I got a girl pregnant?
Possible, because the girl will make you pregnant because you're a boto.
I just want to tell you something very serious.
What?
So now that I'm fully vaccinated, I am ready to become a whore again and just spread my legs.
Same with me.
I'm passing the phone to someone who got pregnant at 18 and never stopped having babies until she was 35.
Hello, how are you? Bitch.
The queen has died!
Oh my God, Beyonce?
Oh! Queen...
Nothing in the back, everything's in the front.
Ano ba? Lesbian!
Lesbian, my baby. Get away from me, you're straight. It's Pride Month. Get idiot, come here.